How to remove background quickly. First step, click your browser. Type remove bg. Enter. Click first website. Click upload image. Click photo what you want to remove your background. I want to click this picture of cat. Click open. Wait a moment. I usually use this website because it's free and quick. Click download. Click free. Click. It's very easy. This website free and quick. Thank you. Please subscribe me before you go.